Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about method and constructor overloading in Python. In our last classes, we already discussed about class, object, constructor and methods. So this is a continuation class. We use the concepts which we already discussed in our previous classes. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python language. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, first we have to understand what is meant by method and constructor overloading means. We'll take an example and understand what is method overloading. Then we'll go into the concept of is method overloading and constructor overloading possible in Python or not. So let's take an example. This is the example which we considered here. In this example, we are taking one class named test. In this class, we defined a function f with one parameter, and we defined one more function f. The same name is given here, but with two parameters. So two methods having the same name, we call it as method overloading. But this function is having one parameter, but this function is having two parameters. This we call it as signature. Two functions having same name but different signatures. This is what we call it as method overloading. The same way, the constructor with two different constructors with two different parameters or call it as constructor overloading. This concept is allowed in other languages like Java and C++, but in Python, method overloading and constructor overloading is not possible. It is not allowed in Python. So we'll check the example and understand how it will execute in our in a minute. Now we will understand how to call these method overloading functions in remaining languages. What they do here is, let's suppose that if you construct an object, if you defined an object test and the object name is x dot f of 10, we are calling a method f with single parameter. So which method will be called? First method will be called here because it is having only one parameter. This method will be called, it will display one parameter. If you call it as x dot f of 10 comma 20, means it will call this method. In other language it's acceptable, but in Python it's not acceptable. This is what method overloading is. Now let's check what happen in Python if you write method overloading like this. So the example which we considered here is a class test. In this we are writing constructor overloading here. So init underscore underscore init underscore underscore, this is a constructor method. Here it is taking one parameter. We are writing another constructor with the same name, constructor method. So but it is taking two parameters. In this class we defined a function f and we defining an object here. ob1 is an object of class test, but here we are passing 1 comma 5. Means how many parameters we are passing? We are passing two parameters. In place of L it will go 1, in place of K it will go 5, and these L, K values are assigned to x1, x2 instance variables. Yes, this is executing. If you call the function ob1.f of, it is calling this function and this program is executing. 1 plus 5 means 6 is displaying. This is method and 6 is displaying. It's executing. But what happens in Python here is, so we have written two constructors. Init, this one with single parameter, this one with two parameters. Python consider the last constructor into consideration. It won't consider this into consideration. It will take the last one which we defined, that is taken into consideration. That's why this is accepted. If you call with single parameter, Python don't work. It won't consider this into consideration. Let's check the example. The next example, the same example, but we are calling this object with a single parameter. This is showing it as a, see here, it is showing the mistake. It's not accepted with single parameter. We don't have a constructor with a single parameter. We have to pass two parameters. That's why in Python we don't have the concept of method and constructor overloading. It will consider the last defined constructor into consideration. The same way it will consider the last defined method into consideration. Let's take one more example with method overloading concept. Here in this class we have taken two methods. F is a method, but it is taking no parameters, but it is taking a one parameter. Which one it will take into consideration? The last one will be taken into consideration. Python don't consider this one. If you call with the no parameters, the F method, it won't accept. It will give a mistake, compilation mistake value. It's not compilation, it will take it as a runtime execution mistake. So it is displaying 6 value. Let's check the output for the next one. We are calling only with no parameters. No parameters is showing it as a, see here, it is not executed. So that is why Python, so in Python we don't have method and constructor overloading concept. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.